Many people say my face doesn't look like typical Japanese. Some say similar to people in Indonesia or even similar to Philippines. But I'm very happy, very happy. But actually, I spent more than 15 years stationed and worked in Singapore and Indonesia. So I know market character of Southeast Asian countries, including now Philippines. So I'm very much excited to be able to work with here Lily for the market of Philippines. So now, I was supposed to have this slides today, but let me go without slides. Okay, Casio's corporate philosophy is creativity and contribution. It means we develop and create something that doesn't exist in the market today and contribute to the market. So let's say Casio's product range, we have many world-first products like calculator, digital board, of course, including G-Shock, and world-first digital camera. And when it comes to musical instruments products, we launched first keyboard CT201, 1980, featuring 29 tones. So at that time, this was called, it's not synthesizer, it's not organ, it is new third segment product. So it's not just about innovation, it's about how to make, how to contribute to society through our products. So now, I was supposed to last page here, but no, let me go. Okay. This year, 2025, we, Casio, start new chapter with Lily, who has long established name in music industry in the Philippines. So we, together, we aim to perform into whole education and professional segments. And more importantly, we share the same vision, like bringing the joy to everyone. This means bringing joy to everyone means this is Casio's musical instrument business philosophy, which means we make music accessible and enjoyable to all, regardless of age, regardless of the background. So, now new partnership with Lily starts. Then with Casio, we work with Willie and will bring the joy of music to everyone in Philippines. Thank you.